Sometimes when you try to switch accounts on Messenger, it shows you that it cannot. This is sometimes caused by minor issues. That's why in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Messenger switch account problem. The first thing you can try out is try to see if there is an update for Messenger. Head over to the Play Store and check if there is an update. If it says update, try to update the application of Messenger, because updating apps removes any kinds of problems that is causing the issue. Once you do that, if it's still not working, you can remove the cache, which means offload the application of Messenger. Tap and hold the Messenger app and head over to App Info. You can also find this section from the settings menu, but this is a quicker way to reach it. Now here on the bottom you'll see an option for clear data. Tap on clear data and clear the cache. You can also clear the data, but make sure that you remember your email address and password to your Messenger. Again, clear on clear data and tap on OK. Clearing caches and removing data removes any unwanted temporary files and fixes any minor bugs. After you try out this, if it's still not working, then you can try to switch your Facebook account, which is also the Messenger account, from the app of Facebook. Open up your Facebook app, and if you tap on this arrow, you'll see an option for Go to Account Center. Tap on that. Now on the bottom you'll see an option for accounts. There you'll see an option for add account, or if you have not yet added account to Facebook, you can add it and then change the account from here. If you have two accounts, you can see it here by tapping on this arrow. So that was the possible solutions that you can try out to fix the problem of Messenger switch account.